Thank you. So, oh my God, I already lost like 90 seconds from my 10 minutes. But anyway, so my name is Ragnar Sass. I'm from Estonia. So this is the country that really drives startup innovation more and more because we have almost everybody now today in startups. Like even Prime Minister is like attending our events, and he's the youngest Prime Minister in Europe, 36 years old. So Estonia is really great place now to do your startup now. But anyway, so today I will talk about Pipedrive, and first of all, what we do. So we are doing CRM. We are highly focused how to help people to sell better. This is what we do, and we are also highly focused to the SMBs. But as I was telling, like I have a dog and Marco has a dog, and he really wanted that I will show first video about my dog, or actually about the company.
Well, hello there. My name is Ricky. I'm the Chief Happiness Officer at Pipedrive. This is my day at the office. This is our big building entrance, kind of like a lobby. And this is where we work. This is button. Button makes table go up, and the button makes table go down. Oof. Oh, this is article about me. And over here are coworkers. Coworkers are nice, very nice. This is a meeting where we stand up. This is where we do big business stuff. And then there's usual meeting. Today is a video call with a California office. Oh, it's sunny there. Hey, look, I'm in internet. And this is quiet room for old school calls. Hello, this is dog. And here is a room for jet lag. And we have a shower. Oh, this is kitchen. Kitchen is where we eat Kringle. We love Kringle. We even have a website for Kringle. Kringle. Ah, this is open air cafeteria. This is where I come to relax. Oh, speaking of relaxing, we also have a room entirely for games. It can take you to another reality. Whoa. So this is it, folks. Come on over. I'd be happy to host you.
So this was my dog. This is actually Estonian Hound, so it's really active hunting dog. But I will now really focus into what we have done and why we are good and so on. So first of all, Pipedrive has been so far, we are 5 years old, growing mainly because we have great product. So we have today clients in 140 different countries. Even we are building best sales tool. I really truly believe this is the best sales tool for the SMBs. We itself don't have salespeople. So like 60–70% of our new users is driven by our existing users like Marco and so on. So, and this is the world map looks like. So we are the biggest market, as you can imagine, is US, but second is Brazil. And many of our clients hasn't used any CRM before. So even they didn't know that they need a CRM. So our competitor is actually Excel. So, and this is the 5 founders what we have. So we have the sales is in our DNA, because out of these 5 founders, Urmas and Timo, was working 15 years in sales. They did sales training and so on. Actually, they started in Silicon Valley door-to-door as a door-to-door salesman, just selling books. Horrible job, but you really understand the basics about sales. And recently, we finalized our A round, which was from Bessemer. Actually, this is second time when Bessemer is investing to Estonia, because they was also first investor in Skype, which everybody hope you do know that Skype is from Estonia. But most important, if I would put all our history into the one slide, and this is this slide. From the very first beginning, we have been highly focused how we can build best possible product and how we can be sure that we are growing fast. And this is showing how we have done, basically. So as I said, we are guys from Estonia. So we started from Estonia, which is a great place to start, but the problem is you will not find clients in Estonia. You can build best possible team. Today we have 120 20 employees in Estonia, in New York, and in Menlo Park. And I truly love Estonians because those people are very hardworking, and you can find still very great talent. And at the end of the day, every company we start with a great team. So, but for us, many things really changed when we landed to the US. And when we landed in 2011 in US, and things started to change, and this experience really helped us to build the tool which is today used in 140 countries. And what we have really discovered as well is that to build this tool, you need to localize that. We have today product in 10 different languages, and you need to really be sure that product itself is the best. If you look at our mobile apps in the stores, they have usually rated 4.4, 4.5. So we're always focusing how we can build the products that you don't need training to start to use us. People just, will sign up, they will look few videos, and after a few days, the thing is running. Usually, this is not what happens with your CRM, because you need training, you need schooling, and so on. But our focus is how to get you working as soon as possible. And actually, that's the problem, So what problem we are actually solving is that almost half CRMs is not used because they are complicated. And many people hate them. And so we was like, how we can build experience that people love into the software. So this is how we started, basically. And this is how actually looked our first page. It was done in 1 month. And we was using different approaches as well. We was like, okay, who is actually the guy or girl who is spending most of the time in CRM? That's actual salesman. So we really focused how we can be sure that this is best possible tool for the salespeople. Indeed, also managers need to be happy. But end of the day, who is really working for this sales guy? And that's what we have today. Once more, we are highly focused about your pipeline. You can do different kind of deals actually in the system. You can also run your marketing deals. You can even run recruitment. But 90% of our users are still running this for the sale. Just few clients. We are highly focused to SMBs. We will not go to the enterprise, but this is one of the well-known logos here. Usually, even though some of them are pretty big, and who is using us is the smaller teams, up to the 100 people. We really can manage and be sure that you can get best possible experience from our software. And this is what people tell us. This is truly big from the Twitter. And this is the reason why we are growing so fast. And this is why Marco is so excited about us. Or another example, So it's just usually, it happens rarely when you see that people love business software. But we have been picking approach that business software should be as easy to use as any kind of application in your mobile phone. Because you never need any experience or training for how to use Facebook in your mobile phone and so on. And thus we have nailed that, and this is how actually people are telling us feedback. And just last thing, we have built so great tools that one of the most creative use for our tool is now on the screen. One girl from New York tweeted this a few years ago, that she was using Pipedrive for the finding boyfriend. So she's most likely she had too many candidates, but she just logged in, set up pipeline. As you can see, there are 7 stages. And, we was like, oh my God, really? You use CRM for the waiting boyfriend? We immediately approached her, and after a month she said, no, I closed the deal, I have no boyfriend. Thank you. So that's the base, and this is it for me. And one thing, last thing, if you want to really try us out, this is the special promo code for this conference. Just use this NOAH 2015, and you will get 3 months free trial. Thank you.